I'm Colby Frontiero, co-founder of Salotto, partnered with Reed Mershot.
My name is Reed Mershot. I'm a partner with Salotto and also with Mint Billiards along with Randall Mosier. We brought the Bark firm on when we conceived the idea of Salotto because we really couldn't think of anyone better to develop a brand for us, and the branding for a new product in a frontier market was extremely important. And beyond that, once we conceived Mint Billiards and started the development of that plan, it was also a no-brainer to reach out to the Bark firm for that brand identity.
It was really important for us to be able to communicate with a company that could hear our vision and put the words of our vision into a visual representation of what we stand for as a company. And now Mint Billiards, same kind of deal. We came to Bark for that organic branding process, that we could work closely with a company that could hear what we needed out of the brand.
I think the biggest benefit from a startup perspective on working with Bark was the team's understanding of the inception of a business and the importance of psychology and basically business planning behind the logo.
The pulse that the Bark firm kept on our needs was really close. And so we could split hairs where hairs needed to be split, but also could trust them to do what needed to be done to make decisions to help the whole process go quickly and be of quality.